Hello to you all from Kuala Lumpur. Here's a quick video to show you how to use the Metro Train ticket, automatic ticket systems. Mauro's going to demonstrate, I'm going to film. Here we go. As a tourist, you're more than likely only going to be using coins and notes, and this machine only takes coins and notes. First thing you're going to do is find out where you're heading for. You check the destinations, you check the line. As you can see here, end line is what you're always looking for, the direction in which the metro is going, or that side. And we have the automatic ticket machine. This is what it looks like. Mara, you just take a step back so people can see what's going on. There you go. You're going to be putting your money in here. Beware, it only takes certain notes, so make sure that you check what notes you can have. We'll have a look at the notes in a moment when Maro checks it out. But anyway, let's choose a destination. Where are we going?
Language first.
Yeah, choose the language.
Buy tokens.
We're buying tokens. And now we're going to look for our destination. We're going to Bukit Bintang, which is highlighted in red. It will be highlighted on all stations where you are. And we're going where? Merdeka. Merdeka. So choose Merdeka. Down there, you type it in. And then the choices appear up above. Alright, one adult journey with 2 adults, so plus.
Confirm.
Now, confirm, yes. And there you go, those are the notes. As you can see, 1 and 5 notes, 10, 20s, 50s and 100s it doesn't take. It takes 10 coins, 20 coins and 50-cent coins. The Maro's got the money there. Suck it in. Off the bottom, once she's done that, we should get a few tokens coming out of the bottom down here.
And the rest of the money.
And the change. There we go. There's 1 token, 2 tokens. And the change is coming where?
There, those there.
There we got the change. So there you go. We're going to use the tokens to get through the train. Close up on the tokens. And then we're going to walk through into the station area where you use your token to get in. Take a quick ride on the train. Remember to keep your token, otherwise you won't get out of the station. Lead the way, Maro.
Yes. Here is yours.
We're heading down to those automatic machines there. Just watch Maro going through. And go, Maro.
And of course you use the one with the green line.
Wait a sec. It's the one with the green arrow. Throw the coupon on top and through you go. Just did the same here, as you can see. And we open and through we go. Now it's downstairs down to the Metro Trains. And then we'll take our journey, and then we'll end the journey and show you how to deposit your coin, or chip, what is it called?
And our
token.
End station was that one.
So that's our end station, so that's the direction we're going in. So straight downward down to the metro. One thing you'll take note of here in Kuala Lumpur, actually throughout Asia, is the metros are extremely well maintained and extremely clean, the stations. We could learn a lot from Asia and Europe.
And you stand on the left.
Always stand on the left and let people pass on the right. Here we are, just arrived down on the station area. That's where the trains come. Just look how clean it is here. This is Bukit Bintang station. Bukit Bintang is where the Pavilion shopping mall is. If you visit Kuala Lumpur, you almost certainly visit Bukit Bintang. Next train is in 2 minutes, then 10 minutes, and 17 minutes. And here comes our train. You stand to the left and right, the entrance area. Let the people come out first and then you can go in. How many stations we have?
We are the next one.
The next station is ours.
Kindly make space for other passengers to enter. Offer your seat to pregnant women, senior citizens, and disabled persons.
Ke LRT Laluan Ampang
station. Merdeka, interchange station with LRT Ampang and Sri Petaling lines.
Sign above, you can always see that. Next station also.
Merdeka, this is an interchange station with LRT Ampang and Sri Petaling lines. Exit to the right door.
This side. There we go.
Yeah, exit here.
Yeah. So exit to the right door, as it says above. Remember to keep your token. Another nice clean station, as you can see. Now we're going to go upstairs again, take the escalator up. Just going to follow Maro. I hope this gives you a good idea of how to use the metro here in Kuala Lumpur. It's pretty similar on all stations. It is the same on all stations. As you can see, I do still have my token, and I need this token to get out of the metro station area. Now we just follow the signs out. If you're in doubt, just follow everybody else. Approaching the gates now. We use the ones with the green arrows. Green arrows with people coming inward. They are also for wheelchairs and luggage. You can see some wider ones over there. And Maro's just going to go through. I think we have to put the coin in, don't we? Ah, there, over in the coin slot. Those are the end ones there. As you can see, it's a little bit different. It's not a scanner. You have to put the coin in. So, off you go, Maro. And in goes mine also. And through we go. And there you go, a little tip from us how to use the automatic token machines here for the metro in Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like down below. Don't forget, we have a whole playlist full of Kuala Lumpur travel videos. Please go and check those out. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.
Bye bye.